Studying the twists and folds in the surrounding mountains, Escher and Heim came up with a theory as to how these rocks switched places.
Just imagine we have one big sheet of sediments, and one part of the sediment of this sheet is pushed over the others. That's the way we get older sediments on younger sediments.
A gigantic horizontal force pushed these older rocks a distance of 30 miles over the younger layers. The line between them, where the rocks scrape over each other, is called an overthrust. Escher and Heim's discovery revolutionized our understanding of how mountains are made.
This outcrop, actually, it's a close-up of maybe the most famous overthrust in the world, the so-called glorious overthrust. And there are only a few places where you can go so close to it.
This site is merely a close-up of a massive geological phenomenon that created the Alps. Sitting above the Glarus Overthrust is a mountain range with peaks over 11,000 feet high. It's a reminder that some awesome power created the Alps, a force that can literally move mountains. But what has the power to push billions of tons of rock? Scientists now know that such a colossal process can only happen when two continents collide, driven by the forces of plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is the process by which giant plates of the Earth's crust move slowly across the planet's surface, propelled by vast currents of molten rock deep within the Earth. As this happens over millions of years, continents collide and split apart, and oceans form and disappear. But if the Alps formed as a result of a massive collision, what continent had crashed into Europe? The answer lies entombed in one of the Alps' most famous landmarks. Hidden by clouds, it's frequently hard to see.